Hey Claudia, I can build your parent OS system that you are looking because I am using Notion last 4 years and build 300 plus client Notion template as top rated on Upwork and level 2 seller on Fiverr. So you can check out my portfolio. Like here I have a multiple design of Notion template. So like this is HQ brand, and you can check out if I open someone like HQ. So here you can check out like home section and so on. If I open some other template, like here I can add, if I open someone, like here you can check out I have been 300 plus Notion template for my client. So if I open any one Notion template, so you can check out my review of working this one, and HR hiring system. Here is the navigation section, this one. Then here is the care coordination, this one. So I am confident I can build your template that you are expecting, and I can deliver this template within 3 days timeline. So I am sending you my proposal, so you send me message, then I will share the next plan, like what I need to start this project. Thank you.